Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to set up a payment reminder on Klarna. So if you've been wondering how to set up payment reminder on Klarna, this video is for you. It's going to be a quick one. I'm just going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all. Let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do, of course, is to log into your Klarna account. You can log into your Klarna account on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website through your computer. Now once you're logged into your account, you just want to go to the payment tab. And once you're there, you're going to select the payment plan that you want to set up a reminder for. And then you're going to click on set up payment reminder. And just like that, you're going to need to choose your preferred reminder method. And once that's done, you'll have that reminder set up. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a payment reminder on Klarna. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.